Here's our new chicken tractor. It's our new design for 2024. We've made some changes. We've had two previous designs. One is really heavy and the other was a little too light, got picked up by the wind, and fortunately there are no chickens in it and it was absolutely destroyed. A couple of the upgrades for this particular chicken tractor is that it's smaller. It's only 5 feet wide by 8 feet long. It has two openings on the top. The tarp is covering this side here. You take the tarp off and that side will open. Really makes it easier on the person coming out here, because now you only have to lift up half that lid as opposed to having a big long lid to lift up. In the back here, we've changed to a bicycle tire rear wheel. This really helps. The larger diameter tire helps get over bumps and rough ground or thick grass. I've also changed the kind of the way it attaches to the frame itself. Before, I just had it going through the wood. The wood just didn't hold up. It got beat up and the hole would get bigger and then the tires would lean and it was bad. This steel corner piece here actually goes underneath it and supports the whole frame in kind of a cradle on both sides. Up front here, you can't see it because it's under the tarp, but sticking down there at the bottom, I've got a piece of steel U-channel that ties the whole frame and base together, and I've welded on a trailer coupler there. That's the 1 7/8 ball. Then I've taken a dolly and I've modified it and added a ball to it. So moving this is so much easier now. Just up, the coupler's down. We never even lock it. I'm kind of amazed it's still down. And you just put this in there like that and you lift up on it and you're moving. Now let's say you want to turn it, which is kind of a pain in the butt with chickens in it, but sometimes you need to turn it. This is so much easier. Even while you're moving it, you can just turn it and just pull it in a different direction. So this has really helped out. And because there's only one hole in the dolly itself with that bolt going through it, when you're done using it for the chicken tractors, you undo that bolt, take that ball and bracket off, and you can use it for other things. Anyway, that's it. That is the new 2024 chicken tractor. Is it perfect? Nope. Did we make progress? Yes, we did. This is much easier to use than our previous design. If you have any comments, put them below. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.